In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos in Kling AI. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Kling AI website. You can type the address directly into the address bar. When the site loads, you should see the main landing page with options to explore AI videos and images. To access downloads, you need to be signed in. Look toward the top of the page and click Sign In. On the next screen, choose Sign In with Google. This uses Google's secure sign-in flow, so a small window or new tab will appear. Select the Google account you want to use, and when prompted, click Continue to confirm access. After a moment, you'll be returned to Kling AI, now logged in. With your account active, locate a video that is available to download. This can be something you created or content where the creator has allowed downloading. Not every video on the platform can be saved, so if you don't see a download option on a particular item, choose another video or open one of your own projects instead. Once you're viewing the video's page, look for the three dots menu, often found near the player or the thumbnail. Click that menu to reveal more actions. From the list that appears, click Download. This brings up the available download types for this item. To save the full motion version, click Video. Your browser will begin downloading the file, typically as an MP4. Watch for a prompt at the bottom or top of your browser depending on your settings. If you don't see it, check your default downloads folder. You can rename the file when saving to keep your library organized. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the download doesn't start, briefly disable strict pop-up or download blockers for the site and try again. Large files can take a while depending on your internet speed, so give it a moment. The resolution you get usually matches the version generated or shared on the page, and you can confirm the quality by playing the file locally once it finishes. That's all there is to it. Head to Kling AI, sign in with your Google account, open a video that permits downloading, use the three dots menu, choose Download, and select Video. You now have a local copy ready for editing, sharing within usage guidelines, or archiving.